Hi, I'm Shin, and this is another part of Datsun removing. In previous video I was trying to remove brake cables, but before that I forgot to drown brake fluid, so today we will start from this. I'm not sure where is this small thing to... okay, I found it. Release a bolt. Let me maybe show you this from here. I'm working with this now. I will try with this. I was doing it in wrong way, okay. Okay. Now I'll push brake. Right. And since I don't working with suspension and brakes, I will put back on wheels, because if you would like to fall down, I prefer it to have on a wheel. Let's go now for other side. I found out something. Oh shit! Look at this jack. He should be somewhere here, not here. Whoa! Alright. First, I will do this brake, and later I will repair this. Okay, but you know what? I will leave him here. Just as support. I should also draw this brake fluid from rear side, rear brakes, but I don't have jacks, and you know, a thing like this, but bigger one. Yeah, I know I have there another one, but or maybe. Okay, let's try. Because the thing is that I'm afraid that that Datsun will fall down. Yeah, I don't have a space to catch it because I need another type of this thing, like single one that I can push deep under a car, and with this one I will not able to do this. So for now, let's do this. Okay, I will still not working with this brakes lines because as I told you, first I will need to draw brake fluid from back, but this I will do next time when I will back with this. I forgot a word, but this lifter. Yeah, and now we'll take off this electric system, so we can already take off this. Okay. Okay, now I will try to unscrew bolts that I hear. I can bet that they will round up. Okay, I will try to unscrew this. Fair enough for me. Great success.
Oreo.
Haha. Okay, you know what? I will do it off camera because I don't want to lose battery and memory. Alright, as you can see, I broke a bit, but I already can start unscrewing this. Yeah, we did it. Alright, now we will take off this because already I have a screwdriver enough long. Alright, if I understand well, I need just to pull this, but it want to. Yeah! Haha! Or removing this, because I can remove this without removing a column. Okay, first I will try to remove that. But I already see that bolts are dead. All four were rusted, but work. Perfect. Oh, it's so rust. That was probably that emblem. I'm not sure if I'm removing good bolts now. Probably no. Do you see it? What I'm doing? I hope so. Okay, last 20 minutes of memory. Shit, one is rounded.